iGourmand.
Eat, drink, man and woman, where the gourmandise is not a sin.
If you go to bed at night without learning something new that day, your day is not complete. Luc Paquin, 1973. Hors d'oeuvre and Apéritif Lucito. Hors d'oeuvre. Hors d'oeuvre in modern French table service and that of much of it is a dish served before the main course of a meal. Hors d'oeuvres may be served at the dinner table as a part of the meal, or they may be served before seating, such as at a reception or cocktail party. Apéritif. An apéritif is an alcoholic beverage usually served before a meal to stimulate the appetite, and is usually dry rather than sweet. Common choices for an apéritif are vermouth, champagne, pastis, gin, ouzo, fino, amontillado or other styles of dry sherry. Hors d'oeuvre and Apéritif Lucito. Ingredient: 4 tablespoons peanuts, 4 tablespoons cashews, 4 tablespoons almonds, 2 tablespoons Peanuts Chile, 4 tablespoons Classic Hummus, 2 medium glass oak leaf white Zinfandel. Preparation: 1 ingredients, 2 wine. iGourmand. Curriculum vitae, Luke Paquin. Facebook. YouTube. Twitter. Pinterest. Instagram. Zoom.